One thing I can't stand is when a person says, well, if you didn't do it, why are you getting mad? Well, I'm not going to sit here and let you call me a liar to my face and nor disrespect me. You're very ignorant for that. Like, come on now, people. Let's get real. Nobody's going to like being called a liar, being accused of doing anything. It's very frustrating. And then it's like you want to plead your case, but it's like, why am I wasting my time pleading my case when I know I didn't do anything? But you're going to plead your case because you're trying to console the other person that's upset about whatever they're upset about. Like, hey, you got the wrong person. But no, they're still ignorant. And they'll still die believing you're the person that did it, even with the proof. They'll be like, no, I know you did it. All right, well, don't fuck with me anymore. It's that simple.